Hey everyone, ever wondered where the three equations of motion come from? Today, I'll prove all of them using just basic formulas, no tough maths, just logic. Let's begin. So, to prove all the formulas, we need to define all the terms, which are initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, time, and displacement. And our first formula is v equals u plus at. So according to the definition of acceleration, acceleration is a change in velocity over time. So we can write a is equal to v minus u upon t. And as you can see, we can multiply both sides by t like this. And we can see that the t in the right hand side can be cancelled, which goes like at equals v minus u, and by just changing the side we get our first equation, which is v equals u plus at. So that's our first equation. So what about second equation? S equals ut plus 1 by 2 at square. So now let's prove the second equation. We know average velocity equals u plus v divided by 2, and we also know that displacement, yes, displacement equals average velocity multiplied by time. So we can write s equals u plus v divided by 2 into t. So what should we do now? We have solved the equation number 1, right? And we got the value v equals u plus at. So we substitute the value of v in this equation, by which we get 2ut plus at square divided by 2. Yes, it is by dividing by multiplying by t, and I have done it directly here, that the third step should be 2u plus at into t upon 2, but I have directly written 2ut plus at square. Why? Because I have multiplied the t by 2u plus at. So in this step, what I have done is, we know that if two terms have same denominator, which I mean when two terms is divided by a single term, we can separate it like this. Okay, I think it's easy, right? And by cutting 2 in the left hand side, or in the left hand side in the plus, we get ut plus at square by 2, and we know that at square by 2 means 1 into at square upon 2. So we separate the at square and write 1 by 2 into at square. So we get the second formula, by we get the second equation, s equals u plus ut plus 1 by 2 into at, by substituting the value of first equation in the formula to calculate the displacement. So what about the third equation? V square equals u square plus 2as. Okay, we already know that displacement equals average velocity into time. So I have used this same method in second equation, but I will use the same method in third equation as well. How? So in second equation, I have put the value of v, which we got in first equation, but in this situation, in this scenario, I will put the value of t. What? The value of t. How? By like this. We know that the formula to calculate acceleration equals v minus u upon t. So by exchanging the side, the formula to calculate the t will become v minus u upon a. And there is multiply sign, right? So I can combine those two. Terms like this. Ignore the third step, and fourth step, in which we can see I have multiplied two terms like 2 into a 2a, and v plus u into v minus u. And as you can see there in this term, yes, in this term we get the formula a plus b, a minus b, right? So in maths class we have learned that we can compress this following term in this. So what I have done is I have compressed this thing into this, and we have learned that a square minus b square is a square plus b square, a plus b and a minus b. So I have compressed this thing into this, so it becomes, so v plus u multiplied by v minus u becomes v square minus u square. So now I multiply 2a by s, cross multiply, so we can see that I have multiplied 2a by s, which in the result we get 2as is equal to v square minus u square, and by changing the sides of minus u square we get plus u square plus 2as equals v square. So by again exchanging the side we get v square equals u square plus 2as. So this is the third equation of motion, and that's how you prove all three equation of motion using just logic and simple maths. If this helped, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome science tricks. See you next time.